Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Kingdom Animalia, and in that we are studying topic Phylum Coelenterata. Now Hydra is an example of Phylum Coelenterata. What are the special features of Hydra? Let's study and find out today. Now if you closely observe the structure of Hydra under microscope, we all say that it is cylindrical with a lot of branchings and tubular in origin. Also, the reproduction is mostly asexual in Hydra. If you all have studied Hydra in lower classes, you all will say. Hydra are organisms that live beneath water. It means they are aquatic in nature. Now, Phylum Coelenterata, the one example that we all have studied in our day-to-day life is Hydra. Most of the organisms belong to Phylum Coelenterata are aquatic in nature. They have radial symmetry with them, the symmetry that starts actually from the axis. Now, they have two body layers with them, and which is endoderm and ectoderm. Originally, they are diploblastic, if I can say. Their digestion can be intracellular with all the organs, digestive gases, or it could be extracellular. Now, mouth and sense organs are associated irrelevantly, whether it is intracellular or extracellular. Nerve cells are present because for intracellular communication, a nerve signaling is important. Now, Hydra reproduce only by fission, and we know fission is a type of asexual reproduction. In fission, there's only one parent that's required, the parent Hydra, and when the glymules or germules associate or dissociate from that Hydra parent, a new Hydra is formed. So students, in this part of the chapter, we came across Coelenterata phylum, and we did study the various characteristics of Coelenterata. I hope you are very clear with this concept. Thank you.